Do you know you can create a monetized TikTok account? The one people call it foreign account. You can create it completely free at the comfort of your phone. You don't need any powerful VPN or any foreign number. All you need is your mobile phone. You all know TikTok monetization is working, but the problem is it's not available for all countries. But guess what? There is a way around it. In this video, I'm going to be guiding you how you are going to create a foreign account that you can be gaining money just by posting videos on TikTok. As I said, you don't need any VPN, you don't need any foreign number. All you need is your mobile phone, and also you stick to the steps so that you don't miss a step. This is Great Filippo. If this happens to be your first time here, please don't forget to like this video and also subscribe if you're watching on YouTube. And also if you're watching us from other social media platforms too, I'll be happy if you click the follow button. Now let's dive in. Okay, before we start, make sure you're having a Gmail address that you haven't used to create any TikTok account before. So if you are not having any Gmail accounts like that, you just go ahead to Gmail and then sign up. But if you're having a Gmail account which you haven't used to create any TikTok account, you just go ahead and open your TikTok app. It opens. You're going to select the profile below here, so just tap on it, and then you're just going to click on your username over here. We are going to create a new account, so just click on the username over here. Then you'll click on add accounts over here, so add accounts, and it's going to give you this menu. So just go ahead and click on sign up below here, sign up. Once you click on sign up, it's going to take you to this menu, and below here you can see they have written by continuing with an account located in Ghana. So you are just going to change the location from Ghana to UK. So you are going to tap on Ghana below here. You tap on it, and in the search bar just type United Kingdom, UK over here, United Kingdom. So just select that one, and you can see that it's saying by continuing with an account located in United Kingdom. So now we are good to go. So we are just going to select continue with email. So continue with email. Now we are going to input the email we just created over here. Once you are done inputting your Gmail account, just click on continue below here. So continue. And they are going to send a verification number to your Gmail. Okay, so let me open my Gmail over here and check if, let me refresh it. Okay, so the verification code is here. It's saying 178686. So let me type it, 178686. Then just give it some time. Okay, so here you are going to set your date of birth. Okay, so I'm done. Just click on continue, and now you are going to create our password. So close your eyes. I'm creating my password. So let me type. Okay, so once you are done typing your password, just click on the continue below here, and then you're going to type your nickname over here. That's your username. So mine will be Great Filippo, INT. Okay, so once you are done typing your username or your nickname, click on continue again. Okay, our account is ready. So let's check if you can earn from the videos you post on this account. So you are going to click on the three dashes at our top right hand side over here. Then you will click on TikTok Studio. Just give it some time to load, and then once loading is done, just scroll down. You see inspiration over here. Just scroll down and you will see monetization. So let's click on this drop down and have full list of the monetization. Once you see creator rewards program, congratulations, your UK account is ready. And once you meet the eligibility criteria, you'll be earning money from the videos you post. So what is the eligibility criteria? What must you achieve before your videos start earning you money? So the first one is you must be 18 years or above. You must be 18 years or above 18 years. And the second one is you must have 10,000 followers or above. At least you should have 10,000 followers. And the last but not the least is at least you must have 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. So compiling all the videos you have been posting and you get 100,000 views in the last 30 days, that means you qualify to be paid for the creator rewards program. I hope you have learned a lot today. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking this video and also follow these accounts. This is Great Filippo. Before we leave, don't forget to stay active and stay connected. Until we meet again.